We are pleased to show you the 2016 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.